Somebody asked me if I could do a tutorial for a shower scene. You need to have the library that has 40 effects from Reallusion, and it contains 4 different folders. I'm going to open up the folders. Generally speaking, the folders that you need to have in that 40 library effect is the magic folder, the nature folder, the weapons and explosives folder, and the VFX folder. On the VFX folder, the kind of effect you're going to be using is this one right here, which is the sand paint. Okay, and then from the nature folder, you're going to be using 2 effects. Well, in my case, I'm going to be using 2 effects, which is the flick water and the water hose. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to my scene right here, and I'm gonna show you. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm gonna show the cylinder right here. This is an object, it's a prop, of course, and as you can see, the cylinder is going through the avatar. Okay, and the reason why I have the cylinder right there is because I applied an effect. It's a sand paint effect, and the sand paint effect is gonna give water drops like falling down from a water faucet per se. I can make the cylinder a little bit bigger or smaller, it depends, because once I select, I'm gonna select the sand paint effect, and I'm gonna go to the attributes on the right panel. And as you can see, I have 2 choices. One is to pick an image or to pick a mesh, and you need to go and pick a mesh. And once you do that, you need to select the eyedropper and then select the cylinder in this case. Okay, now the cylinder is selected. Okay, I'm gonna hide the cylinder and I'm gonna activate the effect. I'm gonna deactivate the other 2. I'm gonna press the Shift and S, but the effect has to be selected, otherwise you're not gonna be able to see it. The Shift and the S key at the same time, and it's gonna run the effect. And with the Shift and S keys, you just need to press them once. You can go to the attributes and you can start moving the attributes of that effect until you get something that you really like. You see, it's just an example. Okay, so you need to play with those attributes. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it as it is right now. I'm not gonna fool around with them because I had something that I really liked, and I'm gonna show you the other 2 effects. And this effect is placed on top of the avatar. Let me see. I'm gonna show that the effect is right here, right on top of the head of the avatar, so that it seems like it's falling down like from the shower faucet. And okay, I'm gonna hide it again. The water hose is going to give it a distortion to the avatar. Let me show you what that is. You can go ahead and play with the attributes again. You know, you can change, you can make it the opacity, you can make it more transparent, whatever. You know, like if it was actually under a waterfall, and it's going to create that kind of distortion. You can play with the attributes, as I said. I'm not going to spend much time on this because it's very self-explanatory. And I'm going to activate the last effect, and the last effect is selecting the mesh of the avatar, and that's the flick water effect. So you can change the color. This one is kind of a bluish color, light blue. You can change it to a grayish color, whatever color you want. And I'm going to activate all 3 effects. I'm going to show you how that looks like. I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna select a different camera because I created a camera. So I'm gonna play the animation, which you already saw in the beginning, and that's pretty much how you create a shower scene. There's other ways you can create shower scenes. There's a person who created a shower scene that was very good. He's sharing his project, and I just wanted to share this tutorial because somebody was asking me if I could do the tutorial for the shower scene. Thank you for watching. I hope this was very helpful for you.